All right. So, hi, my name is Angeli from the Philippines, and I'd love to take a couple of minutes to tell you why hiring me will be a benefit to your organization. So, I have worked as an accounting associate for Axis Med Petroleum Corp, a petroleum company here in the Philippines. I initially applied there for a bookkeeping position, yet I was placed as an accounting associate to do all around accounting work. So I was responsible for producing month-end financial statements for internal reporting. So I also monitored the sales and inventory, filed taxes, reconciliation of debit and credit memos between the company and the supplier, and other accounting related activities. My supervisors and coworkers always say that I have a keen attention to detail, a great communicator, and resourceful. I excel at time management, organization, and working gracefully under pressure. If you are looking for someone with analytical skills, a strong understanding of financial principles, and the ability to identify and resolve discrepancies quickly, I am confident that I would be an excellent fit for the bookkeeping position. So our goals here is to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of your financial record keeping, streamlining your accounting processes, and ensure compliance with financial regulations. I'm confident, like I said, I believe I'm the right person for the job, and I look forward to meeting you and discussing how I can be of value to your company. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you again, and thank you so much.